Hey Travis kiddos, it's Thursday. I've got my first grade squad shirt on. I'm repping our first grade kiddos. Um, let's do some math. So you only have one page in the math workbook today, which is page 164. You're gonna match one of these numbers to one of these number sentences. Now my advice here would be to figure out what each of these is and write it below before you start matching. So I would figure these out. So 20 plus 70. You could draw a picture, you could do it vertically, you could do a number bond, you could do anything you want. I'm just going to draw a quick picture of sticks and dots. So 20, 2 tens, and 7 more. I'm just going to show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and add them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens, or 90. Okay, so go ahead. I'm going to write it under 0 plus 42. Well, that's pretty easy, right? Just 42. So write it underneath. I recommend you write the answers to each of these number sentences, and then it's going to be a lot easier to match them. Okay, so just draw a line to match up the number in the shape to the number sentence on the side. Okay, this is page 164. That's all you have to do today. If you want to go back and work on some more in the workbook that you need to catch up on, great. If you want to do some math coloring, great. If you want to do some other math manipulatives online, take a math test, go ahead, okay? I also want to quickly go over finding the missing part or finding the missing number in a number sentence, okay? Because some of you have requested that. Thank you for your feedback. So when you're trying to figure out a missing part, there are a few ways you can do it. You can do it by making a number bond. You can do it by drawing a picture. You can do it by a related fact. So I'll show you all three of those ways for these two problems. So 6 plus blank equals 16. Okay, so if I was going to draw a picture, or I could use cubes, I can show you that too, actually. Let's start with that. That's our concrete. So I'm going to get 16 cubes here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, here is my stick of 16 cubes. Now, I need, again, you can use a related fact to figure this out or do it another way. I know 6 is one of my parts, so I can take off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is one of the parts. I know altogether it makes 16. One part is 6, so I just need to figure out what's left over. Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the missing part is 10. 6 plus 10 makes 16. Okay, if I was going to show that on my board here, I could make a number bond. So 16 is the whole, so 16, and my parts are 6 and something. I don't know what that other part is yet. And again, you can use cubes, draw a picture, do anything you need to figure this out. Maybe you can use mental math. Awesome. Okay, and then if I was going to draw a picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I know I need to get to 16. So this is going to be my other part. I draw a line to separate, so I have two separate parts. So 6, and I'm just going to keep drawing circles counting on to 16. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then I can count the part that I added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, I got the same as with the cubes. So 10 is the missing part. 10 would be the missing number bond part. Now, if I wanted to do a related fact, now that I have my number bond, it's a lot easier. And if I hadn't figured it out yet, I'll take that away for a second. Now, I know 16 is my whole because part plus part equals whole. I could do another number sentence to figure it out, starting with the whole. I could do whole minus part equals part. So whole, 16, minus the part I know, 6, will get me to this answer because that's our missing part. So 16, take away 6, either use your brain, do just the ones, then the tens, count back, whatever you need to do. We come up with the same answer, 10. So there you go. Now with this one, I would use the same strategies. I don't have enough cubes, but if you have objects you can use, go for it. As we get into bigger numbers, I find other strategies a little bit more helpful because counting out objects can take a really long time when you have 100 of them, right? So for this, here's my number bond. So I don't know what the first part is, but I do know the second part is 21, and the whole is 29, because part plus part equals whole. Okay, so here, again, I could draw a picture, and I might even use sticks and dots for this since I'm up into 20 something, and both of them have 20s. So let's see, I can do 21, and then I need to draw dots to get to 9. So to 29, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, I can count up the ones that I added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I added 8 more. So 8 is my missing part. You could draw out all of the dots for that or all of the circles. I just, for the sake of time and showing you a different way, I'm showing you this way. So 8 is our missing part. And again, I can use a related fact to figure this out. So 29, my whole, minus the part that I knew already, 21, and figure it out that way. You could line it up vertically too, 29 minus 21. So 9 minus 1 is 8. And 2 minus 2, 2 tens minus 2 tens is 0 tens. So it's just 8. 29 minus 21 is 8. 8 is our missing part. So I hope you find that helpful. Thank you guys for the feedback. I'll continue to do whatever you guys need and want. As always, have fun with all of this and happy learning.